Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing a WeatherGuard 41-inch low side truck box. Let's get into it. All right, now these low side truck boxes from WeatherGuard are designed to fit on the side of the bed of the truck, and you access them from the side of the truck. They make them in various lengths, profiles, materials, color. This happens to be a low profile, 41-inch long. It's aluminum, as well as being a textured matte black finish. So as we open this, just to give you an idea of how it is shipped and packaged, we do have some cardboard little corner protectors right here. They're gonna prevent this area from getting damaged. Looks like it is a tight fit in the box here. Just pull this out. All right, now our major components here, obviously we have the box. Sounds like there's some materials inside the box. We do have our mounting brackets right here. Two of these longer ones, one smaller one like this. Now, the lock right here comes shipped, kind of unkeyed, if you will. And you key this lock the first time you use the key, essentially. And so the nice thing about the WeatherGuard locks is if you have a crossover box or you're gonna do two of these boxes, you can use the same key for all of your boxes as long as you program it using that same key. So these are push button open. They have the gas struts in them that just shoot the lid right open. Inside here, we do have our hardware. I think we do have a product registration label. I believe it goes up here, one of these locations. It fell off. And then we do have our installation sheet. There's a QR code right here that you're gonna scan and get the latest installation instructions for how to put this on your truck. Now we're gonna be installing this on the Ford F-150 behind me. If you're interested in that, be sure to check out that video. Another thing we do have zip tied right here inside the box are going to be your keys. If you're interested in how to key these WeatherGuard locks, we do have a video on how to key these. Just make sure that you're not using different keys in all your different boxes if you want them all keyed alike. There also is a QR code, little product card right here that shows you how to key it, or watch a video if you need to. Now this side of the box would be facing kind of the outside of the truck. You'd see it if you're looking at the side of the truck bed right there. On the inside of the truck bed, you're gonna have one of these little tie down D-ring locations right there. If you do the crossover box, that also has two of them as well. If you do one of these on each side, you're gonna have four potential tie-down locations. These aren't made for like strapping down your motorcycle or really heavy things. They're not really load bearing type of locations. These are gonna be for your lightweight type loads that you just need to strap something down, keep something from bouncing out of the truck bed and things like that. Another thing over here on the front is we do have this little grommet right here. It looks like we have two of them. One on the left side and one in the center. And these can be used for routing in wiring or various other things. You can get a couple of different powered accessories for these truck boxes. One is kind of a light that once you open this, there's an illuminated light that turns on when you open the box. Another is you can replace this mechanism right here with a keyless entry button. You just push the button and it latches the lid. Let's take a look at our installation hardware right here. We do have these little U-clamps right here that are commonly used with crossover boxes, as well as these side mount boxes. These actually mount underneath the bed rails and then secure in underneath here. There are some drilled locations where you can secure that underneath the side of the bed. Then we're gonna have some additional hardware here for the rest of our attachment to our brackets and things like that. We do have some plus nuts. These look like they might be M8. But the great thing about WeatherGuard products is they do give you this little plus nut installation tool, so you don't need to figure out how to do that on your own. And the way that that works is you put the little tool right through here, put your plus nut in here, you have a hole in the bed, and attach it that way. So we've got our plus nut tool, got a couple of carriage bolts, this little J bolt, some lock washers, some bolts, some regular washers, a little grommet of sorts. There must be, I think there's a hole underneath these boxes that you can plug that hole with this right there. Obviously a little J-clamps and everything that you need for a successful installation of this on your truck. Now we are gonna be installing this on the truck behind me, so if you're interested in that video, be sure to check that one out. Now another thing is you can get this in steel or aluminum. This happens to be aluminum. You can also get different profile lids. This happens to be the low profile, which means our lid is a little bit shorter than our standard profile. So if you had a standard profile, it'd be a few inches higher, give you a little bit more storage space up here on the top. I think the overall dimensions in terms of your overall height is the same between low profile. Basically, they shift some of that height above the bed rail down below. So your cargo volume will be pretty similar. You can also get the box in different colors. Obviously, you're gonna have your traditional just aluminum color. You're gonna have your gloss black color. You're gonna have this textured matte black like this. They also do a gunmetal gray. And then if you get it in steel, you can also get it in white. Now, just like their crossover boxes, you're gonna have a lot of the same features in terms of our weather seal right here. We got the 3 ridges right here that moisture is gonna have to get through to get inside the box. It's a memory resistant foam as well, so there's a little bit of a diamond plate texture on the surface right here. It's not gonna form to that over time and eventually weaken and let moisture through. We have our gas powered struts right here, nice firm. These are gonna be the easiest boxes to open really on the market with just the push button. Get your stuff in and out. We have almost a full 90-degree open of the lid, so you can get your materials in and out nice and easily, and then a nice easy shut. Now the great thing about these locks is once you lock them, you push them in to lock them, and then they stay flush inside the box when they're locked, so you can very easily tell if your boxes are locked or not because this push button stays in place. And then you'll just take your key, unlock it, push the button, and open the truck box that way. Now, if you're looking for these low side boxes or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.